Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing for a certain Casio piece. Now what Casio piece? If you see the name on the screen, you already know what it is. Let's take a look exactly what I'm about to show you. It's a Casio W-86-1V. Module number 3298. Wow. With that, let's take a little look at its history before I do the unboxing. Now, what you're looking at here is this piece, but let's take a look at the shape of it. The shape. Now, going back to 1989 with this one, the F91W, and then it became a little bit bigger with this one. It got a little popular over the years, and it's the first Casio digital watch to have Electro luminescent backlight. Oh yeah, and this got very popular. Either easy / kind of rare to find though. You can find this one on Etsy. They have it in various color displays with good liquid crystal displays. And yeah, I mean, look at this. This was 1995, yo. Really, the summer or the spring of 95. I mean, I was just a kid at the time when Casio G-Shock was just getting crazier and crazier, you know, and among other things, this was like the big deal at that time period, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, if I'm not mistaken, that era. But hell, it is indeed a magnificent timepiece from the mid-90s. Heck, I already told you about 1995, and I already told what went on that year. Heck, it is indeed insane. So yeah, wow. Look at the databases for these things. It's awfully easy with this. These are G-Shocks released around between unknown months of 1995. These, the DW-6900, with these, the Firefox and the 6800 March, and this was in May of 1995. And this was the fall with the heavy metal. The heavy metal that you're seeing, perhaps it's unknown which one. Okay, that didn't exist in 1995. That's a big mistake. The 9052. All right, there was the DW9000 before I even heard of the 9052. So that's a big mistake right there. But the Codeman editions and the Mudmans did exist in 1995. And the 6600 got crazier with ABC alphabetical order, which now these are very rare to come by, really. But the heavy metal remains a mystery, but we know it's 1995, but it doesn't give us much details. So yeah, enough chit chat, let's talk about this watch. So with that, let's head to the unboxing. Like right now. Let's go. So, here we are. Let's cut it and let's go. Slide it out. Whoa. This is how it's packaged. Give it a 5 thumbs up right there. Just a fun Casio. Oh, let's take a look at the manual. You open it very gently. Oh, warranty cards. Just put this inside. Ooh, that's very good stuff. Very good. I do say so myself. Well. Let's take a look quickly. In multiple languages. Showing the displays and all that, the works. With that, let's take a look at this timepiece. Oh, I'm leaving the plastic in there, or better yet, I'm gonna leave it right around there. Let me just take it off for the time being. Okie dokie. Let's take a look at this, the band. Very cool. Kind you can leave flat on a table. Very cool. It's in little letters. Oh, 32.98. And the buckle, oof, either it's not written there or it is. No, it's not. But we know it's Casio Japan. The band number for this badass is approximately 285 FU2 19 PUR. Same thing here. So yeah, buttons are pretty big on this. I'm going to show you a side-by-side in a moment before I start playing the music. You got your alarms. You got that vibrator, I think, and the alarm, and you want to put them together. That's it. Just the alarm. You got your stopwatch. Split. Continue. And then you press the illumination light. Whoa, that was a bright light. Cool, huh? I'm going to show it to you at the end of this video what the bright light is. And of course, when you're adjusting, you can adjust the, what's the word for this? The time. You can use the illumination to change the hour. That's it. And you can use military time when you press here for 24-hour military time. 50 meter water resist. That's nothing, it's the letter U. I can't see. I came back for adjustment. Zoom out, zoom, zoom. There it is, the letter U. Underneath the illuminator, which one has some backlight. Okay, let's see the measurements for this timepiece right here. Yo, 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 yo. Let's check it out. Okay. Let's see, 36.0 millimeters. The thickness, 10.3 millimeters. Okay, lug width to lug width. Okay, lug width to lug width will be approximately 38.5. Lug width to lug width. Yep, that's what it is. Let's take a look at the buttons. I'm pretty sure it's going to say the same thing. Button size. Whoa, whoa. There we go. 2 point. It's kind of confusing in here. 2.8 millimeters. Voila. So yeah, a great timepiece from the mid 90s. 1995, if you will. So yeah, either this came around during the time of fall, or in the summer, or perhaps in the spring during 1995, but maybe the summer or the fall, who knows. Like, EL backlight got crazy at that time period. And with that, let's play a little music with this particular timepiece, because this needs to get a little love right here. And with that, let's play a song from the artist named Montel Jordan with this hit. This is how we do it. Nobody does. Drop Jones in the sixth round. Nobody does. So, you enjoyed the vid, huh? That was Montel Jordan with This Is How We Do It. And this fit perfect for that timepiece. And I don't have any other piece from 1995 besides the ones you've seen. So I can't get the Firefox though. That'll be kind of easy or hard to track down. Who knows? But anyways, links will be in the description box down below for another video or it depends if there's ever been a review of this piece. And also for Etsy if you want to get variation LCD displays of different colorations. of this particular timepiece, or you can find it yourself. As long as you need to be paying the big price. This cost me about 40 something or 30. Because again, being that this is over like 25, 26 years old, heck, you're a 90s baby, let me know in the description box down below if you ever see anyone wearing this particular timepiece or any other G-Shock pieces or any brands around the mid-90s at the time. Any of you remember anyone wearing something like this or any other timepiece in that time? Let me know in the description box down below. Well, that's all you have to know. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Catch you later, y'all. Before I show you the electroluminescent backlight in the dark, I need to show you a comparison side by side. Alright? Alright, hold on. Stupid fingerprints. Alright. You could tell they're kind of closely with each other, but little similarities here and there. But again, look at it very carefully. Maybe they are big, maybe they're the same size. But it looks to me the longer length is the W-86, which is right there. So yeah. Let's see the lighting. Micro light, EL backlight. Micro light, EL backlight. Yep. This is what you're gonna get. Catch you on the next vid. Catch you later.